Hi, George Peterson here from Front of House. We've got a great issue for you this month, starting with our coverage of Green Day's The Saviors Tour. Danny Abelson drops by the band's current one-year world tour and chats with FOH engineer Kevin Lemoyne about his mixed secrets, one of which is an analog Neve 5088 console he takes on the road. Returning to NYC this month, this annual show mainly focuses on recording technologies, yet there was a treasure trove of cool new items for sound reinforcement users. Check these out. We also visit recent church audio upgrade projects with an eye towards improved audio and vocal intelligibility, where the word is all important. Our buyer's guide this month focuses on measurement microphones. Whether verifying speaker specs, tuning rooms, or ringing out monitors, an accurate, dependable reference mic is a must. We present under $1,000 choices for pro applications. This musical comedy returns to the Broadway stage, and Brian Reisman chats with Audio A1 and FOH engineer Ashton McWhirter, who keeps everything audio running smoothly. Sennheiser unveils this versatile next-gen version of its classic MD421 cardioid dynamic microphone. Front of House snagged one of the first models off the production line, and Steve Savanu puts it to the test. Our man in the pews, John McJunkin, offers proven techniques and a few slick tricks for getting a great sound from large vocal groups. There's a lot more in this month's issue of Front of House, whether you read it online, in print, or with our way cool, free iPad edition. But wherever you go, whatever you do, don't piss off the sound guy.